Hello, little yogis. I'm Ariel. Today we're going on a fun flexibility adventure under the sea. Take a big breath and let's get started. Breathing time. Let's start with deep belly breathing. Breathe in. Fill your belly like a balloon. Breathe out slowly. One more time. You're doing great. Mountain pose. Now stand up tall like a mountain. Feet together, arms reach up high. Stretch your fingers to the sky. Feel strong and tall. Tree pose. Time to become a tall sea tree. Place one foot on your inner leg. Reach your arms up like branches. Find your balance. You've got this. Cat-cow pose. Come onto your hands and knees. Arch your back like a cat. Meow. Then dip your back like a cow. Moo. Let's do it together. Puppy pose. Let's do puppy pose. Knees down, hips up high. Stretch your arms forward. Open your chest like you're reaching for a starfish. Warrior pose. Now let's be superheroes. Step 1 foot forward. Arms up high. You are strong. You are powerful. Forward fold. Fold forward like diving into the ocean. Let your head hang heavy. Hands reach down. Relax your neck and breathe. Butterfly pose. Sit down and become a beautiful butterfly. Feet together. Knees open wide. Flap your wings gently. Fly. Cobra Pose. Lie on your belly and rise up like a sea snake. Lift your chest. Look forward. Stretch your back beautifully. Child's pose. Now it's time to rest in child's pose. Forehead gently on the mat, arms stretched forward. Take slow, deep breaths. Well done, little yogis. You did an amazing job today. You moved, stretched, and breathed so beautifully. If you had fun, please tap the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next underwater yoga adventure. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I had so much fun with you. See you next time. Stay sparkly like the sea. Namaste.